Let's change your lock screen in iOS 16. So if you've upgraded to iOS 16, there are a bunch of new features that allow you to customize the lock screen. This is one of the flagship features of iOS 16. Let's walk through the steps, how to customize it, how to change that wallpaper, all that. So let's head into our settings here, and then we will scroll down until you find wallpaper, and I'm going to tap on that. Now you can see here is my current wallpaper for both my lock screen and my home screen. I can tap add new wallpaper here and it gives me a bunch of cool options. So it has featured here along the top. It has suggested photos, which it takes from my camera roll. If I wanted to use any of these suggested photos, I'm going to use this photo of my dog Kai. So on here at the very top you can see the date and the time, and it gives you the ability to add widgets here. So I can tap add widgets and it gives me a bunch of different options. So I can add a calendar, a weather, stocks, clock. Let's say I want to check the stocks. So I can have different options here in terms of which stock widgets I want to add on there. So I'm going to tap and drag that in there. And then say I also want to put in a calendar. So I'm going to add this as well to have a calendar in there. And then lastly, let's just put in a quick battery thing. So this will allow me to add all these widgets, and you can see now I have all of these different widgets here: stocks, battery life, and calendar. You can see, of course, there's the time there. I can tap on that and change the font if I want a different font here. I can change the color if I want a different color, which is really cool. And then I can always pinch to crop or zoom this. I can swipe to the left and it gives me these really cool filters on that photo if I want. I like this. It's black and white with the really neon colored text here. And then all you have to do is hit add at the top right. And now what it says is set as wallpaper pair or just customize the home screen. So you can customize the home screen. The default is that it uses that photo that you've used but really blurs it out. You can always untoggle the blur if you don't want the blur. You can change it to a color or a gradient if you want, or just to a different photo if you want. And then you can always just hit done at the top right. Now it gives you the ability to change all of these to cool different wallpapers and lock screens. This is one of the best features of iOS 16. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.